Video, we are going to learn how to take a picture while you are in a presentation like slides. So what you are going to do is go to, and we may ask you to do this with notes or with your face as we get to know you and things like that. So you are going to go to Insert, then you're going to go to Image, and you'll notice if this is probably where you normally go, but you're going to go down here to Camera. The first time you do this, you are going to have to allow it up at the top left over here by the name of the document. It will ask you if you want to allow slides to use your camera and you want to allow that to happen. So I'm going to go to Camera. It's going to pop up. There's my picture. Apparently, it took me a little longer to do that. Then what you will notice is sometimes this creating images will stay up here. If that bothers you, you can just hit the refresh button and that will go away. So I think it turns your camera off. So that is how you add a picture from a Google Slides presentation.